Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Science Lesson 3. We are doing Unit 5 Pushes and Pulls. Today's topic is Pushes Experiment. So we are going to have lots of excitement and fun today. I hope you're excited too for the fun experiment. Your learning outcomes are reinforce. What is a push? Reinforce means to recall. Investigate and prove how force can move things. Investigate means to find out. So that's what we are going to find out today, how things move. Let's recall first. What is force? We studied earlier. A push or a pull is force. Forces can make things move. When you push or pull something, it changes its position. That's how it moves. And remember, we are using either push or pull force to make something move. Recall how different things move. Everything that moves uses force, like humans, that's you and me, animals like cats and dogs, and non-living things like cars and cycles. They all move, and all of these things that move use force. What is a push? A push is a force. It can make a thing move. And when you push, it moves something away from you. So remember, push is a force that always moves things away from you. Let's have a look at these examples. When you slide down a slide, you push your body to slide downwards. That's how you slide, by pushing your body, and then you move your body to slide down the slide. Look at this funny example. A dog is pushing the car to move it, and when he pushes the car moves away from it. So we used push force to move the car. Look at this example. The man pushes the car, and as he pushes the car starts moving away. Let's have some fun with push experiments. Get set, ready. Look at these materials. We will need these materials. Number one, we will need some A4 size paper to make a paper plane. Then you will need, number two, some old newspapers or chart papers. Remember to reuse and recycle, because we want to keep our earth a good and a healthy place by creating less garbage. So let's recycle and use old papers. Number three, you will use scissors. And on fourth, we have a sticky tape to stick the newspaper. So let me tell you how we're going to get started with this experiment. This is how it should look like. You can stick the newspaper with hole cuttings on a doorway on the door frame. Remember, there should be enough place for the plane to pass through these holes. Now, this is how you are going to carry out this experiment. First step, we need to make a paper plane out of the A4 size papers, or you can use different size of papers. Then number 2, you're going to cut different sizes of holes in a newspaper. Step 3, stick that newspaper on the door frame or doorway. Remember to keep your door open. Step 4, stand back and push the paper plane into the air through the paper holes. If you don't get it, no problem. Keep trying and have fun. Discuss your observations. How your experiment went. Do discuss with your brother, sister, your friends, or your teacher. You can also note down these points on a paper. What did you observe? Did you observe yourself? Which force did you use when you make the airplane fly into the air? What did you notice? What happened to the paper plane when you pushed it? Did you notice push force can make things move away from you? I hope you enjoyed this experiment as much as I did. Do let your friends and teachers know. You can remember, note down your observations on a paper and share with your teacher. Have fun playing the game. See you next week. Assalamu alaikum.